stamps are absolutely wonderful tools for mixed media artists because they help audition ideas and get that art kick-started. And I really needed a stamping ink that could not only keep up with my demands, but also was in the colours that I need. And that is what INKvincible delivers. Gorgeous, usable portrait colours that can either stand out crisply or disappear into my art in a waterproof, smudge-proof, paintable formula. I'm so excited about this oil-based ink that to name the colours, I picked Women of Legend, INKvincible women. Let's have a quick look at each colour. Boudica is named after a woman who led her tribe of people against the Roman Empire, no less. And the deep indigo is inspired by the colour that they would paint their faces. Lagertha is named for the Viking shield maiden, colour inspired by the dark soot that she would apply around her eyes to inspire fear into her enemies. Naniska is an incredibly deep, rich chocolate brown, inspired by the West African warrior queen. Olympias was Alexander the Great's mother, and not only shepherded her son, but made her own way as a leader as well. The very softest colour in this whole series is Joan of Arc. And like Artemisia, Olympia, Zenobia, the lighter colours, they allow a brilliant base for you to redraw and recreate with the stamp as a stepping stone, a starting point, in contrast to a colour like Hippolyta, which is named after the Amazon queen. This deep, muted, bruisey purple is one of my favourite ever stamping colours. It's magic. Mulan is another one of my purples. It's fresher, lighter, but still strong, like Mulan herself. And although this isn't a skin tone, this is a colour that is so complementary to help with skin tones, for drawing different skin tones over the top. Vishpala fits in that category as well. Of course, no one's hot pink. I wish. I'd love to be hot pink. Vishpala is named after an ancient warrior from India, and she's thought to be the first recorded person to have received a prosthetic. After she lost her leg in a fierce battle, she received the prosthesis and then went back in to fight. Her story is so old, no one knows whether she was a real person or a legend, and that is true of many of the people, women, legends, myths that appear as the namesakes of each of these colours. The INKvincible stamp pad is actually rather wonderful. You've got the labelling on the side, so you can always find what it is that you're looking for quickly. You've got, from whatever direction you're creating from, they're stackable, as you can see, and the sizing of them is just especially easy to handle if you're a busy mixed media artist like myself. On the back is a little snippet about why these are INKvincible women. Each of these colours is quick drying and smudge proof. It's water resistant, which makes it paintable. I love to use coloured pencils over the top, crayons, pastels, paint, watercolour, everything. These inks are exclusive to janedavenport.com, where you can also find a whole suite of accessories and tons of amazing stamps to kickstart your art.